Now it says to wave the wand upward and watch the owl. Ah! The owl's red. That's cool. That is really cool. Look at that. Oh, cute little owl. Hey guys, I'm Maddie from the Reese Sisters, and today I'm going to be talking about why I want to learn how to code and showing some methods that I'm using. I wanted to learn how to code originally because it looked fun to me and it looked useful. I mean, I'm starting with HTML, which is a coding language that is used to build websites, basically. It's a very basic one and it's a starter one, and it looked fun, and I thought it would be great to learn how to do things and see how websites work. So I'm going to start today by using this Harry Potter coding kit. We were at the store a couple weeks ago and we found it, and it looked super fun because I love Harry Potter and I want to actually make some progress in learning how to code. So I figured it would be a fun way to do it. I'm gonna open this thing up. Alright, it says how to make a coding wand. Let's see. It comes with all these little pieces. It says this is your coding wand. It's made of plastic, rubber, copper, and electronics, which is very in-depth, I suppose. Okay, pick up this piece. Got it. It's a circuit board. Cute. That's where the batteries go. Just take those out. And then I should put the batteries in. Ta-da! Wow. Okay, there's the blue light. Let's go to the next step. Alright, it's just explaining what the different pieces are and how it senses where you're moving it. And now there's a little button that you get, and you put it into right here. I'm assuming it's this way. Nope. I was close enough. Okay, there we go. Oh, it does explain it on the next page. Maybe I should just check that first. Buttons out. And then it says to put it in carefully. That was careful. And then you just need to grab the cover. That goes in there. Nope. Ta-da! Wow. Okay. I think it's built. Okay, I think it's built, and I have my very own wand. The wand came with software to download, and I have done that, and I've set everything up. You have to make an account. Did that. I made sure my computer's Bluetooth is enabled because the wand does use Bluetooth. And then other than that, I'm not too sure what else this wand is about. I have been learning HTML. I don't know what this wand is going to teach me, but I am hoping that I will find out in a few moments. It says your coding wand uses Bluetooth to connect. Make sure your computer's Bluetooth is on. It is. Let's see. I can see a blue light flashing. Alright. It looks like something's happening on the wand. Oh, it buzzed. Found it. Okay, so it looks like there's a lot going on here. It says it's Diagon Alley, which I do recognize. And there's a little blinking star here that I think that means I'm supposed to press the little blinking star. So let's do that. Okay. First up is learn how your coding wand works. I think we should do that. Might be helpful. Okay, it says to center the coding wand. Point it at the middle of the screen and press the button. Ah! Look at that! That is actually really cool. Aww. Okay. Next up. Knock the objects off the shelf. Okay. I don't think I did, but let's go to Hogwarts. Next up is experiment with color in the Owlery. Will I get to color an owl? Read the instructions up here, drag blocks and connect them to create code. The yellow beacon shows you the next step. Pick up the block with the yellow dot. Okay, there have been some chunks of code over here you're supposed to connect. I'm assuming it'll explain them in a second, but now it says to wave the wand upward and watch the owl. Ah! The owl's red. That's cool! That is really cool! Look at that. Oh, cute little owl. I am hoping it gets a little harder, but it does look like it's explaining like the building blocks of how to code, which I do appreciate, and I think is something that you do need if you're going to be going on to learning how to code in more intricate ways. So I do think it's very useful, and it's really cool because you get a wand and you get to do a bunch of fun little tasks. Okay, so I have gotten a bit further in the game, and I have to say that it has gotten a bit harder, maybe more appropriate for my age range, which I do really appreciate. So the way the game works is that you have these little blocks and some information alongside. It'll tell you where to move these blocks, which have different coding elements on them, and you put them together, and once you've done with that, then you get to use your wand and demonstrate what pieces of code you've put together. So I am definitely going to keep using this because it's fun and you get to see things in real time versus when you just actually code, you don't get a lot of results immediately. With this you do, and they're fun things like making fireworks or sparks from your wand or changing the color of things, of potions or owls or something, but it's fun. I definitely think that this is a great toy for 2018, especially if you know someone who is interested in coding, or even if you are yourself and you want a fun way to do it that isn't just how coding normally is. I mean, it's pretty cool. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell icon to be notified when we post a new video. Bye!